So this is the whole day's range. This candle represents the daily candle, and this dotted line is the N dog, the new day opening gap in the previous day close. We are around the previous, not the previous, but the another monthly close, but we haven't closed below this monthly close. If we remove all the drawings, yesterday we came below this previous month's close, which can be called an MOG, and we closed above. Now we are below that again, but still it's not showing any signs of bullishness, so I'll not be taking any longs, but it can turn around because we have news, so anything can happen, but still currently it's not showing any sign for bullishness, so no longs. Either we dig deep into the fair value gap, the monthly, the week, this fair value gap. This fair value gap is on the daily chart, the weekly chart, the 4 hours chart. So I'm using the weekly for reference. This fair value gap is on all of these time frames, on the 4 hours, the daily, and the weekly. But I'm using the weekly for reference. We have 2 minutes till the market opens. This price point is a very significant price point. If it continues, this can break the short-term downtrend. All of this downtrend, it's all a single move. But here it can be broken if it moves aggressively above and stay above. Then we will be looking to target these boxes, specifically the red one. The market is open. It can go up. This doesn't apply right now because it's the opening of the market. failed, but it's 9:32, 2 minutes in the open. It's too early to. We have an opening range gap on the regular trading hours. We might go back to the 50% of that gap for longs. Yep. But still, it's undecisive, so I won't be taking any trades here. $9.34. The first 5 minutes is about to close. We just, it's basically 50% of that gap. This is not applicable right now. It's 50-50 basically. Yep. We are coming back to the 50% of that gap. Yep. to this box. It's 9:37 for 7 minutes. We are close to the 50% of the gap. Take out this liquidity. A retracement can be bought into. Retracement can be bought into. To 9:39. And we are back again. So this is what I meant, in essence, 50, no longs, no short. It's in a transitioning phase, so it's likely to happen. We are back from where we started. 15, 5, 15. 9:41. We have news in about 15 minutes approximately. It's 9:43. 9:43. First we'll take out this liquidity, then the other. Back to the end dog, or completely fill the gap. Completely fill the gap. We have a problem right around here, exactly. There we go. If it stays above here, I would be. Yep. We have a problem right around here, the NVOG and something else. But we can get a retracement little after that. That can be bought into that to target this point. Exactly now. Should retrace a little bit, not completely. Let's see what's going on a 5 minutes. Yep, this is the retracement I'm talking. A little retracement and it stays above, gets rejected. Then it will get rejected now. Probably gonna get rejected. Otherwise, we'll continue the move to the upside. You should not. This is the main determining point of the trend. We will leave it for the next 10 minutes. We will leave it for the next 10 or 15 minutes after the news, but I'm not currently selling it for sure. This is the retracement. We got rejected. Now we will target this box, which is around, not now, but for the day, and the narrative for the day. 15850 on the US 100. The futures would be different. And we got the rejection we were expecting. This was the problem. It was the rejection. And we will continue our move to the upside, probably for the whole, or not for the whole day, but this is the general narrative you can take. What's gonna happen is we are getting rejected off of a very good area of interest, so we might fill out this gap completely today. Yep. Closed when the gaps are represented by this blue color. Slowly it will grind its way up to the previous day highs. And we got the rejection. No shorts for now. Preferably, it's we are trading in a range, so no shorts for now would be the thing I would write. No shorts for now. No shorts for now. That can change, but it has to come down dramatically with parabolic speed to the downside. Otherwise, the uptrend on a smaller time frame is good. Just been established. This is, or this, let me. The fair value gap can be our target. This is a no trading zone area, basically. We let it adjust, we let it settle down for a bit. Generally, we are targeting this. I have this in my mind. The temporary would be yellow. It's 949. $9.49. It's highly likely that we would target this. We would tag this. It's 50. The macro started. There's a NVOG, the new week opening gap, somewhere around here if you have it on your chart. We'll get a strong reaction from this red. First we come up, then we'll get a strong reaction down. And we have touched the N dog this day. Well, it's about how many points? 50 points. Let it adjust or let it settle down for a bit. This new uptrend, this from this only this price action, I've determined the uptrend. Break off all of this, broke all of this continuation, got broken here. So we'll let it settle down after the news. We'll be targeting this point, the red box, and the best case scenario would be to come up this above green box. That would be very good for the continuation of the uptrend, long-term uptrend. We are at the 50% of the opening range gap. So this is the problem. We have 8 minutes till the numbers come out. 8 minutes, 8 minutes, 8 minutes. There is a lot of problems around this area. So that's why we are hanging around here. But for now, no shorts. Absolutely no shorts. No shorts. We'll see what's going on a 5-minute chart. Now that we have our bias, we can use different tools too for entry. It looks much better on 15 minutes, gives much more clarity. I have other charts on my different screens, but this is for the display. We have 7 minutes till the numbers come out. We will get a reaction from this box. First, we are going to that box. That's good, right? After that, we reach this box, we'll get a reaction from this. How about that? Thinking way, way ahead. There is the previous week's close and the new week opening gap and VOG. This price represents the previous week's close, not the previous before the previous, like the close of a weekly close. So we are gyrating around this point. We might fill out the gap completely, this gap completely today. Even take out the yesterday's high. This is strong. I don't see it stopping. But we have 5 minutes till the numbers come out. We'll see. Whenever this happens, this is the initial starting point of the new trend. On a 1 minute, I usually do not trade. This was the move I took out 50 points, but ideally what I would be doing is to wait and let it adjust or settle down. Then I'll buy the retracement. We are about to close the whole gap. And also we are at the upper deviation of the new week opening gap and VOG. It's going up before the news. So yesterday's highs are still very, very, very probable and possible. Yesterday's high, it's 957. 957. Getting a reaction from the end dog. Somewhere around here is the end dog. This new form uptrend can get totally demolished if it just goes parabolically down. Then we will be looking to target this consequent encroachment of the weekly fair value gap, but still it's not possible. It's not likely to happen. So we have a smaller uptrend established. For reference, not even 30 minutes ago. And what do you mean? What do I mean by established uptrend? This was the downtrend that got broken for about 30 minutes after the market started. So it's not that strong relative to that. So we are waiting for the news. Mm-hmm. 30 seconds, 30 seconds till the numbers come out. These are the coordinates for the box. The numbers are out. Yep. Short sellers are. Yep. Yep. See. Hold it. Hold. Hold. Hold it. Not shorting it, just looking for a reaction from this point. Just looking at it. How it's gonna behave around this point. Now we are back. The uptrend is back. Once we are in this green larger box, this is representative of the 4 hours trend, and that is the 15 minutes trend. So this can change the game if it moves up now. This is the monthly volume imbalance that would, all of that would come in play. Watch how precisely got rejected. And what else? We have taken out the yesterday's high. We do have, for sure. For sure. Yesterday's high? No. That wasn't yesterday's high. I'm referring something else as yesterday's high. We have something else. That was the high. We have something else that is previous days opening range gap. We didn't close, we didn't fill the gap yesterday. So this is yesterday's gap. The upper deviation of the box, red box. Let me tell. Yep. The uptrend is back. Uptrend is back. If it holds this price now, the uptrend is fucking back and we will move to this volume imbalance. You watch. Watch. Just, I know it's too early, but let the price settle down for a bit, then we'll see. It's 10:03, 3 minutes after the numbers. I think the uptrend is back. I don't know if you remember it or not. That's why I was skeptical. Now it can just move. Everybody is out shorting it. Boom! This green box is a very, very, very significant price point. This is the backbone of the uptrend. This was getting shrinked, which I didn't like. So now that we are here and back in the monthly volume imbalance, what does this mean? It means something. Ha 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 ha. Hold it. Hold it. The 15 minutes candle hasn't closed yet, so we are looking at the 15 minutes candle. We would still respect this red box. It's too early for us to think that we wouldn't get a retracement down for what? For entries. For entries. We would. We will. For reference, this all down move can be broken. The early indication was the first 15 minutes. And we are reacting off of the monthly volume imbalance plus this plus that. The first 15 minutes after 10 o'clock has 8 minutes to it still. No FOMO. We will get an entry, not going straight up. So no FOMO. जो तेरी No FOMO, no FOMO. This box is still red, but we have gained our territory into the uptrend that is the green box. We don't want it to go below this green box, right? If it goes below this red box, that would be a range then for a continuation of the uptrend. Would not be fastest, no. Hold it. We want a higher time frame close above this volume imbalance. That would be really, really good. Really good. And one thing else, watch this. Watch it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, is it? This was the monthly close. Monthly, what do I, this is this blue lines are the monthly close, basically in a same logic used in the NVOG, NDOG, the MMOG. Previous month's close and the new month open. This was the MMOG. We haven't closed below. This was the price before the stream started. Total it's right around here, but doesn't mean it has closed on the daily chart. Yesterday we tried to go below. We failed. Today we'll probably fail because on a smaller time frame it's an uptrend. So 15. Boo, 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 boom. We are getting rejected off of these areas. Just remove this stupid fair value gap. 2 minutes till the 15 minutes close. Want it to go, go, go. 365. 360. I guess this is enough. All right, I'm out. Done for the day.